Hello students, welcome to the class of Standard 5. In the last lecture, we studied about different shapes and angles. Now in this lecture, we are going to start lesson number 2, shapes and angles. So let's see in this chapter. Here in the beginning of this chapter, one story is given. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day when they were making shapes with matchsticks, Shaila gave them a challenge. So this is Rohini and this is Mohini. They both are twin sisters and they both like to do the same things. One day when they were making shapes with matchsticks, see here they were making shapes with matchsticks. Shaila gave them a challenge. So let's see which challenge does she give. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it, but she can ask questions. So challenge is that first Rohini will make a shape and Mohini has to make the same shape without looking at it, but she can ask questions. Then Mohini said, "Oh, that is so simple." Now they start making shapes. Rohini made this shape. Mohini asked, "Is it a closed shape or an open shape?" Rohini replied, "It is a closed shape. This is a closed shape." Now Mohini again asked, "How many sides are there?" Rohini replied, "It has 6 sides. Children, you can see here there are 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. Now Mohini made this. Now you give the answers. Is it a closed shape? Does it have 6 sides? Children, think and answer. So yes, it is a closed shape. And it has 6 sides. Now Mohini tried again. This is what she made. So she made now this shape. Second shape is this type. Now is it a closed shape with 6 sides? And second question, is it the same as the one made by Rohini? Here you can give the answer. It has 6 sides. So yes. Is it the same as the one made by Rohini? Then no, it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. Is there some way to say in what way these shapes are different? So the shapes made by Rohini and Mohini, both shapes are different. These shapes are different in the matter of measurement of angles. So here we can write the answer, this answer. And then Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. So we can draw any shapes which has 6 sides and closed shape. So I have drawn here 2 shapes. So this is the answer of this question. Now Mohini is now tired of trying and asks Shaila what to do. So now Mohini is tired of trying and drawing the shapes. So she asks Shaila what to do now. So Shaila told, if you ask for the angles that the mastics make at the corners. You can do it. See here, two mastics are here and the angles that the mastic made at the corner, this corner. If she asks, means Mohini asks about this, she can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Now, so look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference? Yes, here the measurement of angles is different. So here we can write that answer. Measurement of the angles is different means the space between these two mastic is different. See here, mark with this black color. Upper part is same here. 1, 2, 3 angles. Here 1, 2, 3 angles. These 3 angles are same, but the angles which are made in the lower part is not same. See here, these 3 angles and here these 3 angles. These angles are different. Measurement of angle is different. Now Rohini said, see how the mastics make a small angle. This small angle, a big angle and a bigger angle. Here space between these two lines is less. So this is small angle and this is the space between these two lines is more. So it is big angle. And space between these two mastics are more than that one. So this is bigger angle. Wow, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. Rohini said. Now let's solve some practice question given on page number 18. See here, question is asked, look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in dash color is the biggest angle. So here angles are marked with different colors, green color, green color, yellow color and blue color. Okay, so the angle marked in dash color is the biggest angle. So which one looks bigger? Biggest angle. This one looks biggest angle. The angle marked with black. So we can write here black color. Now second question number 2a. Are the angles marked with yellow equal? So here angles marked with yellow are not equal. See this one and this one. Both are different. So here we can write no. Are the angle marked with green equal? See here green color, this green, the angle marked with green, this angle and this angle marked with green. So both are equal. So we can write here yes. Are the angles marked with blue equal? This blue and this blue. So observe this angle, this both angles. So do they look same? Means equal? Yes. So we can write here yes. Now question number 3. 4 different angles are marked in 4 colors. Can you find other angles which are the same as the one marked in red. Mark them in red. Do this for the other colors. So here 4 different angles are marked in 4 colors here: green, red, yellow and black. So here we have to find other angle which are the same as the one marked in red. So here this angle is marked in red and we have to find other angle which are the same as this angle as the one marked in red. So these both are pentagon. So here we can mark with red. These all angles are the same as the one marked in red. And this angle is same as the one marked in yellow. So mark with yellow color. Okay. Now let's move on to the next shape. This is hexagon because it has 6 sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this shape, the angle mark in green color. So we have to find other angle which are the same as the one mark in green color. So this is also hexagon. So we can mark here with green color. Here these all angles are the same as the one marked in green color. Children, you should also do in your textbook. And now let's move on to the next shape. This is which type of shape is this? This polygon. This polygon has 8 sides. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is octagon, and in octagon one angle is marked with black color. And we have to find other angle which are the same as the one marked in black color. So here we can find that the angles. These all the angles are same as the one marked in black. Okay. I hope you understood it better. Let's move on to the next question. Here mastic puzzles are given. First one is make a triangle using 6 mastic. Try. You should try yourself, but still I am here doing this one. See, 1 mastic, 2 mastic, 3 mastics, 4 mastics, 5, and this 6, and now you got 8 triangles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This both big triangle 7 and 8. Okay. Now let's move on to the next puzzle. Take 8 matchstick and make a fish like this. Now pick up any 3 matchstick and put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. Did it? So here first you should make a fish like this, and then you have to move the face of mouth of this fish on the downside. So try this. And third one, using 10 matchsticks make this shape. Pick up 5 matchsticks. Here 10 matchsticks are there, and you have to pick up 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you get the shape of a house. Now you have to make the shape of a house by picking up 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you will get the shape of a house. If you have not been able to solve this, then look for the answers on page number 29. This is puzzles are given on page number 19, and for the answer you have to look for the answer on page number 29. Okay. Thank you.